how to install Telegram app on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Telegram app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch running the latest iOS version. The first step is to locate the App Store app on your device. This is a default app, so you'll find it on your home screen. Open the App Store. Once it's open, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID account. If you're not signed in, log into an existing Apple ID or create a new one by following the on-screen prompts. Next, ensure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network or have a stable cellular data connection, as you'll need internet access to download the app. Now, go to the search page by tapping the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type Telegram and search for it. The first result should be the Telegram Messenger app. Tap on the Get button next to it. Depending on your device's settings, you'll be prompted to either double-click the side button. Once verified, the app will begin downloading, and you'll see a spinning circle indicating progress. When the download is complete, you can exit the App Store and locate the Telegram app on your home screen. If you don't see it on the home screen, swipe to the last page of your apps to access the app library. Look under the Recently Added section, and you'll find Telegram there. To add Telegram to your home screen, press and hold the app icon, then tap Add to Home Screen. And that's it! The Telegram app is now installed on your iPhone, and you can open it to start using it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more quick guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.